Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Mrs. Happy Adityarini as my lecturer in teaching English Foreign Global Language, and then my beloved friends. Today, I would like you deliver about my review article, and the title is Register Analysis. Terms scans of database increase the ability of vocabulary students in secondary school. And then this is my name, Adi Manggala Saputra. Then the next, I will deliver about the content of my review article. There are four the content of my review article. The first, introduction, and then the second, discussion, third, conclusion, and then the last, reference. Next, we start from introduction. In introductions, there are four main points that include in the contents of introductions. The first, general statement of the phenomenon, and then the second, basic theory, the third, review study, and then the last or the fourth, objective of study. The first, general statement of the phenomenon. We know that vocabulary is very important for the students, for the teacher, for the part of human when the people communication using vocabulary. If the people only have a little vocabulary, so from the communication the people will difficulties for the build of meaning, or the build of communication. This is the importance of vocabulary. And then my reasons why I take this topic, because vocabulary in my opinion is very important, and then as the teacher we can make a new concept to improving the ability of students in vocabulary. So this is my reason. And then the second, basic theory. I will take the theory from Michael Holiday about the sociolinguistic, especially in register, because I use register in beta fish. So this is my theory. And then the third, previous study. In previous study there are 9. The first, Rizkawati, and then the second, Sari, third, Hidayat, fourth, Safira, and then the fifth, Albalajo et al., and then the sixth, Silverman, the seventh, Ayuning Dias, the eighth, Sei and Chung, and then the last, Young et al. This is my previous study. And then in my objective of study, there are three points in my objective of study. The first, the context in which the previous research was conducted, and then the second, to know about the concept and the selections of the words talked in the media used, and then the third, to know the research strategy of taking the data previous research and this study from the based on the theory used. And then the next, I will deliver about my discussion. My discussion is the context of the previous study conducted. From the previous study, I take 9 previous study relate with my topic. My topic is vocabulary, and then in here I will try to analyze deeper about the content, about the content of the research article, and then about the published, etc. In the table, we know that there are 3 points that I will show in my review article. The first, the author, and then the second, title of the research article, and then the third, context, include year, place, and participants. We can know from this table. And then the conclusion of this table, I get the main point about the research article, in my previous study. The point is, the majority of researchers in my research public in my previous study take in SME or senior high school. The subjects or participant majority are students, and then the concept of the previous study above, majority using media, technology, and especially using game, because maybe 2 until 3 in this previous study using game. And then the next I will tell you about the words or vocabulary used in previous study and this study or my study. The first, Rizkawati. Rizkawati using adjective, noun, and then verb. For example, in adjective, Rizkawati using clean, foolish, lazy, and then noun, fisherman, etc. And then in the verb, Rizkawati using eat, drink, and listen. And then the second, Sari. Same with the Rizkawati. Sari include using words of your research. The first, library, noun, and then tell, verb, new adjective, and then hurry, verb. And then third, Nur Hidayat. Different with Rizkawati and Sari. Hidayat using vocabulary from hot potatoes and picture dictionary. So in here, Nur Hidayat using media application for the media on his research article. And then the fourth, Safira. Safira in here, Safira like Rizkawati and Sari using verb, adjective, etc. And then the fourth, Ala Balejo et al. In here, Ala Balejo different with Rizkawati and Nur Hidayat, because Ala Balejo using story and song for increasing the ability of student in vocabulary. In here, Ala Balejo using a balloon in the zoo song. And then the target of vocabulary, balloons, kangaroo, snake, monkey, and lion. And then songs, Ala Balejo using Miss Polly had a dolly. This is the title of song in Ala Balejo research article. And then the sixth, Silverman. Silverman different with the last previous. Silverman using print text, video, and electronic text. And then the seven, Ionic Tias using song relate with Ala Balejo. And then the eight, Young using different method, because Young in here using sheet assignment, short outro, overhead compartments. And then the last, Young et al. Different with another previous. He used disembarkation card, custom declaration, and then etc. So in here, in my previous study is many methods that using in the research article. And then the next, I will tell you more about my concept. In here, I will take the theory from Halliday in register, because I use the terms of database, and the term of database relate in register on sociolinguistic. For example, in here I take 5 data. The first, Bad Platinum, Half Moon, Rostel, Contel, and Orange Sunkist. This is the term of database. And then the next, research strategy used by previous study. In here, in my previous study, Rizkawati using core, classroom, activity research. And then in here, Rizkawati using test and observation. And then the next, Sari using matching technique and classroom activity research. And the last, Sari using pretest and post-test for the take the data. And then the third, Hidayat like Sari, but in here Hidayat adding observation and questionnaire. And then Safira like Hidayat using observation, interview, testing, and documenting. And then Ala Balejo, in here Ala Balejo using pretest and post-test, same with the Sari methods. And then Silverman, in here Silverman difference with other previews. In here, Silverman using print text, video, and electronic text, and Silverman combine the truth methods become one. And then the next Ionic Theas using observation and interviews, and then the X side using meta-analysis study, and then the ninth Young in here using pre-test and post-test like the Sari. And then the next research strategy, there are 3 research strategy in my research paper, in my research article. In here, I'm not only using review article, but I deliver suggestion. I also deliver suggestion. In here, media in my research strategy is video term of Ken's Betavis, and then the second use was the theory registered by Ronald Waddell in data analysis, and then the third data taken from YouTube and questionnaire. And then this is my analyze in register using holiday theory. This is the kind of Betavis, and then the meaning. And then the next design on English learning process. There are 3 design on English learning process. The first, the researcher saw a video about Betavis to students, and then the second, then student recorded what was obtained from the video, and then the third, students were asked to memorize and choose one type of fish to describe. And then this is my conclusions. In my conclusions, the basic ability students must master to be able to use English as a communication tool is vocabulary. So in here, we know that vocabulary is very important, and then the teacher must always make a new concept, new method for applying in the classroom, for give motivation to the students, remembering about the material in vocabulary, and then the students can influence the ability in communication. This is my review article, and this is my presentation. I think enough for my presentation. Sorry for any mistakes. Akhirul kalam, wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.